hi guys! Nandito tayo sa school ni Zoe Abigail. Ngayon ay ang kanyang talent show. So ngayon, ang gagawin niya ay kakanta kasi last year siya ay sumayaw. So pasensya, hindi kami nakapag-video, hindi kami nakapag-intro dyan sa video na yan. So mag-voice over na lang ako. So ito ang kanyang teacher, si Teacher Judy, at ang kanyang judge na si Teacher Dennis. So hintayin natin kumanta si Zoe
Sila
Abigail.
nakakapag-project ng boses nila kung sila po ay kanina.
Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I take, only sad. The place I know that I cannot go along to me. Did I like to see it's not me? And no one knows how far it goes. And now it's myself, it's easy behind me. They don't know. It's just not time, but I know everybody else sees them. I know everything is by design. And I know everybody else has a thought and island, so they make it all in mine. I believe it might just take as strong as that it's to play along. But what's inside the secret sun? What's wrong with me? The light is like the sea, it's not me. And no one knows, and leave it go. But the thief is gonna be so much like me.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye.